Do you want to know how you can log into your Xanterra Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Xanterra Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and then search for Xanterra Payroll Login and then click on the first link which says Xanterra Travel Collection, and you can see that it will take you to this payroll site where you can write down your username in the first box. Go ahead and write down your username and your password. After you've written down your password associated to your account, click on this icon to check your password once, and then you can see your authentication and you can click login. This way you can successfully log into your Xanterra Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset your password, this is the link for you. Go ahead and click on it. And if you are a new user and want to register yourself, go ahead and click on this link and you can register to your Xanterra Payroll account now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. See you again in the next video.